Hey yo, what's up, rockers? Welcome to Populist Chats, hosted by Caillou Michelson.
Exeshapuzi, it's your boy Caillou Michelson, the host that does the most, aka Dedione, aka Caillou Michelson.
That's Mufasa.
Let's go.
Boy.
A new episode, a new week, and today I'm not alone as usual, but I'm not with my co-host. I'm with friends of the show. The first person is the most controversial person on social media that you could ever think of. I have this right here called Azola, aka Azo. What's good?
What's cooking? Never thought band was bonus in lava, but talk man.
Let's go,
But
my
anyways,
dog.
man, let's do this.
Welcome to Popular Shirts, and help me welcome the most prominent producer and DJ in Cape Town, Uposo Ham. So hi, beats. Let's go. Kreko madam.
Exchange the grand, you grand.
DJ namhlanje the
Akalo fethu ubone uwenze podcast eh.
I mean,
So
And
now unje ngowaqala so ungakulinga
yeah, I get that, I get that. But
So
I
it's the
mean,
first
like,
time guys ubone. But
yeah.
we out
Actually,
here.
that's my boss. So ndifuna abeke hot seat namhlanje zamfry. Now ndifuna ukufrya now namhlanje.
not that much, but please.
Ngoba
But
we
okay,
got
do it.
man, don't worry. Like it's
Do it.
kupholile, man.
Let's just have a conversation, Jen. Sing a fryani and all of that, bon.
Say less.
So nwabini and just make sure ba
But do
it's
it.
a dope episode, yeah.
Do it, boy.
But I mean, you saw even on the last episode, Kasim Fry and my sister was a conscious end.
Obviously, we wouldn't
Actually,
fly, we wouldn't-
irrespect yamanjalo yabo. So
Yeah.
me and Andy age group A1, so make sure
we can't go with
keep the same respect level.
that woman is married. I'm sorry. Tata
Kalofethu izinto zami anizazi zonke kwi-social yabo.
Katati, so it doesn't count.
Undercover,
Umfazi wami uyazazi apho khona.
The DJs. Crazy.
Oh, actually, I don't better about the DJs of last.
Yeah,
Nah, that's dope.
Shout
But
out to DJs.
last week's episode, like I felt like it was really wholesome, yeah, but today was gonna be fun. But last week was really wholesome. Yeah, shout out to Sis In and shout out to everyone that showed love. Yeah, because I'm sure even now Tamsabonile was like how the reception was.
Yeah, now for sure.
Yeah, but on
I
the
could
socials.
see even before you throw up yeah, because
Sure.
it's easy to tell episode guys about grand like when Kalu post on socials about
Yeah.
behindwa. There is about we were like
Because
ready
the
for
atmosphere
the
was
episode.
lit up
yeah.
the studio.
So
How
now
was the
even
episode?
I feel like Natis test Puma, but if you remember last week, we're like, yo, this is one of the best episodes.
Nah,
So,
man,
yeah.
I went to visit Ulendo's Andy. So she told me, okay, I was like, watch the episode. I was like, yeah, I'm definitely going to watch the episode. Yo, boy, what you said to me,
Sure.
I saw it. And I was like, boy.
And
Yeah, you told me on that day.
Nah, it was
But
too
we-
much.
funeral,
man.
I was like, yo, dog. Yeah, it's touching, but yeah.
Can't
Can't
tell
really
you,
move.
but must tell you, I was so bang.
How do you know that? Okay,
Born.
my friend, but okay, fine.
It was in
You're not going to tell them that, dog.
a present yakho pha.
Azola is
Why
never
you're
sober.
Yeah.
Matter of fact,
Takali.
just bring it
Aye.
forward. Matter of fact, bring it forward. Bring it forward.
Yo, Jet.
Bring it forward.
Yo, hayi.
Bring it forward.
Iyaqala
I
ukwenzeka.
need my cup also.
Iyaqala ukwenzeka. Beninonicela ixesha bangibapha but you be surprised but things ingaka.
Vethu.
Thethu.
7 o'clock is 7.
Guys, ningenza into is unholy. Nihleli nam.
Zindoni nezandla.
Please. Yes,
Come
zinto
back to the
endizenzayo.
time,
Yeah.
He doesn't even go to church.
I don't
Little
drink.
He
thumbs up.
doesn't even go to church.
I don't drink.
And so
I don't smoke. So it's just unholy and it's full
Hey,
of
I'm sorry, I've seen you smoking on pipe.
Hi. I
Once.
don't.
But I can vouch for
I've seen him
Tamsai.
once.
I can vouch for Tamsai.
He was trying.
And
for
nobody
the
was trying
baddies.
exactly
He was trying
for the
baddies.
mommy
It was only
game.
for the baddies. It was
For
for
the
the
mom.
baddies.
It's for the
I know it was for
mommies.
the baddies. I saw it was for the baddies.
You are
Don't be like that.
this is alcohol abuse, God.
Dog. Yes, no. You want tell you what? You know what's alcohol abuse?
Use it.
This is not even alcohol abuse. I'm just gonna leave this here. Dog.
Anila listener as he body put us.
Today, asikose endlini esibane, dog.
Clock it.
Sorry. Asikose endlini esibane. So, but anyways, man. Alcohol abuse, you want? I feel like, dog, it's when you drink. Okay, obviously you drinking constantly.
Sure.
Like, now I drink constantly, like every day.
Every
like,
day?
7. How you know me, dog?
Yeah.
Like
that's
month
it.
in, month out. But it's not a matter of bandy alcohol abuse. I just have time to drink.
That's not how it
You
works.
no, that's the difference. Vid.
That's not how it works.
No.
Unfortunately.
For me,
Come school
not
at
about-
no, for
outside.
me. No. Okay, Tamsai, listen. Chonga, for instance, on the 31st, I was at Rans. I just decided, let me just
Not drink.
on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Okay, now you can the 7th. Said.
But like Mosba, that's how it's supposed to be.
No. Kaloku mna. I have free time.
My dog, trust me, wonke umuntu unayo free time yakhe. And also remember,
When every time like
deny free time to if I wanted to
Njengam.
drink, yebo. Andizoyazi ba njengawo, but at the end of the day,
What is
wonke
njengawo?
umuntu unayo free time, and then alcohol is not meant to be sell every day.
Okay,
As
Tamsai.
umuntu ongaseliyo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe funeka sisele
Okay,
kangakanani.
fair, ne?
Kalok,
Look,
yeah.
Tamsai, what did you say when we started the podcast?
Kangikhumbuli nathini.
You said bana yintoni upos wakho.
Mm.
Isn't it a work?
Yeah, he is.
Thank you.
And
Oh, wena kosemsebi. Free time yakho ngo.
I'm not at work.
Number see, I mean, if you wanted to, was sell.
He's at work.
But I come tell gonna sell must just like now sell.
But he's at work.
I mean, like said,
Mamian.
But that's thing a bit sober. That's the point. It's like I'm a DJ ne? At night. I don't drink even. So it doesn't mean just because I don't drink in the same 17.
Okay.
17 napa.
Okay, imagine now, Tamsai, you have a gig and then you pull up drunk as hell.
People do it all the time. Yebo.
Kaloku
As long
Tamsai,
as
wena,
Let's
it depends.
il alcohol abuse thetha ngayo.
No.
I think
not
yabo,
with me,
I think
Doesn't
yabo
count
mna
with me.
for me yabo alcohol abuse has to do with ilaweza, it discipline yabo. Because at times yabo, and I've seen it kabandu and I've seen it with myself as a creative or as umdu just in general, like you become less productive kwinozenzai. Uba awubikho tapped in kwezinye izinto yabo. So it's not a matter of alcohol abuse, it's not a matter of yasela like every day on the free time yakho. It's a matter of like say uyasela but thinking of what's happening around wena. Kubona la we yabona ngoku yadagi furniture yethu. This is alcohol abuse.
It's crazy.
But at the same time I won't judge you and say
but no,
you're
no,
an
no,
alcoholic or yonke la we bad.
No.
It's a matter of like this podcast is to raise awareness kabanda abaninzi yabo.
No.
Let
But
them know about
Yazi also yon. I know there's a lot of people who feel like, yeah, this is alcohol abuse and everything like that. Because imagine on Facebook, you have a following, on whatever you have a following,
Sure.
you post whatever you post, and then obviously you have a following from high school.
Yeah.
So now kids feel like, yo, I want to be like Azola, yo, that Azo. He wakes up with beer, he drinks beer. Dog, that's not normal. But to me, it's not alcohol abuse because I know who I am.
Sure.
Yabo? So it might be alcohol abuse to someone else because we found
So imagine Azola if bekuthiwa items siyaz define according to us. Ibiza spanna njani into yalapha emhlabeni. If umntu noba lintoni masimzekelo I abuse someone physically ne? And then it guys to me it's not physical abuse because I'm better than that. I'm just saying bagalogu if you wanna redefine izinto
China fry me. I'm coming with something else.
if you want to redefine izinto logo ayizospana because if like I'm being abusive I'm being abusive whether I'm not justifying
physical,
no
you're being
this is my
abusive.
way of showing love yeah bo
But you are a
analogical
but in different way.
but I'm just saying but
but-
to me yeah bo
Okay,
I'm
Yima, let
saying-
me ask you something. Ne? Like, okay, that's Jay. I think babugele, as you said about the people that followed you from high school, you lot. Yeah, but Nimabani influence from who? Why did you brand yourself as Umdu that constantly drinks? And also,
Yes,
do you feel like you're an alcoholic?
I don't even feel it
Okay.
because I'm not.
Yeah, I get you.
That's
I
fine.
get you.
Yeah.
That's fine.
So I think it goes back to 2012. Like I got to the instant cake. No, listen. Yes,
Go tell us who's going-
do you even know when I started drinking, dog?
when did you start drinking
2007. I know it's crazy. You won't believe me.
But you do understand 2007 was the primary school.
I need to explain how it went. I need to explain how it
18
went.
years, Usel.
No, Galuk, dog. I need to explain how it went
18?
down, dog. I need to explain how it went down.
Sure.
You remember when there was what's this? What do you call it? Black Label Cup and all that.
Okay,
Yeah, Black Label Cup and all that.
sure.
So, pardon me. Me and my friends, Ekas, obviously,
Yeah.
I think I know it's closer to Ekasiako, but not initially to Ekasiako. Siyasela namachita. Like,
Come on.
come on, man. Come on.
With that. Go on, go on.
Kufika la weba okay ba, he Black Label Cup and then ipi 5 rand.
And
That's
then
when
one
like,
of the
Pirates
times-
versus
Nah,
Ilawe.
listen, yeah, that was the first time like okay, Nandi Sela Ipia as a person.
Black.
Sally Black. But now obviously I went to Athlone. Like for primary school, obviously na much damase Kuksi. Maybe if I ever visit Tumchita, like maybe on a Saturday, Sizosela, Jades ngabantwana.
207.
Yeah.
I'm just
Yo,
trying
Ah,
to.
no, okay,
Oh,
not like
okay.
siyakula kaloku.
Yeah.
But aloku 207 was the first time I like indulged.
What
Ipia.
grade were you in
I don't
207?
even remember that.
Still in
Okay,
primary.
expose iminyaka yakho, you don't
Yeah,
want
it's
that.
exposing
Okay,
minyaka. But
nah,
I
cool.
na 27, but it's exposing
Oh.
minyaka. I'm 27. I don't mind minyaka.
Yeah.
Can't run away from that. So after that, iminyaka yaqhubekeka, and then 2012 I moved to the Eastern Cape. I'm sorry. Andifika pha endlini ekhaya obviously khukhi taxi amahotman ami mhlala amahotman sipholile kumnandi. Amahotman obviously amahotman.
Yeah.
Sure.
You can't run away from amahotman. Hlala nawo siyasela. Ndibuya esikolweni ngibe uniform siyasela. Uniform yamba lihlamba nini?
You still don't want to call that alcohol abuse. Whatever,
Imagine.
yeah, but okay,
I'm sorry, you
continue.
weird
scared,
Continue.
And at the time, you didn't have free time, Mos.
Fetu, I went to school Monday to Friday, dog. It's Friday after school. Friday.
Okay, like, yeah,
later
because now we
on,
used to
and
pull
then
away.
free time, dog. Everybody else,
pull away.
everybody used to do that. Dog.
Yeah.
So Nyan fam, like Friday, I don't even go home, dog. The debana na mahotman, this stratweni, mahotman. I'm like people that are like close to me, blood, of my brother and my cousin. So, bona they driving it as a sending. So what we do, I'm sorry, like they just take me wherever. I just communicate with them. Fam, and then what we do, like
Uniform.
like then I share a shirt like grey. I do whatever I'm doing.
Bangen.
I didn't even go inside. Bangathi ngisuka office. Honestly, bangathi ngisuka imagine umuntu wakapita unxiba njani.
Unxiba i-grey pants.
Umuntu wakapita unxiba like no leg yesikolo kodwa. But obviously clubbing dog uzoyibona njani lo ibayo yesikolo.
But
Yabo,
it's
that's a
Bangathi
difference.
uphume emsebenzini.
So that time, but obviously uyabona umzekelo nangoku.
Ucinga njalo
Some people
njengo-
will tell
207.
me 27. I look like I'm a fucking kid. Yabo.
I don't know about
Yeah,
that.
don't know about
I know myself, dog.
Yeah,
I
we don't know about that,
I
but-
got it. I got it.
Yeah, but I hear you, my dog. Yeah.
So now, the way into philayo, impahla mhlambi on a Monday morning, 2 a.m.
It's called.
Friday siyagroove.
Saturday,
Siyavuka Saturday. Ndihamba ndiyerenkini ndiyoclock erenkini. Xa ndibuya erenkini
Uqhuba ne-taxi?
Dog. Ngeke ndaqala uqhuba taxi.
Nah,
Uqhuba imoto
I didn't know the way.
2010.
The World Cup?
Uqala komqhuba imoto. Like udrive imoto.
Shit.
Una
Cape Town
license?
okanye
Hey
P.
dog uqhuba imoto.
Cape Town okanye
Andina license
ezilalini.
ngoku, what do you mean?
That's what I'm asking, Galuba. Una license?
Zange na license.
Wa ungayenzi?
Andicingi.
Orale.
I'm sorry but I feel like ngidingela umsebenzi but anikafuni umsebenzi.
Kaloka uyaqhuba mos andithi
Ndiyaqhuba.
because I've seen you drive.
Yo,
So it means
ndiyaqhuba, ndiyaqhuba.
you need license,
Eastern
kaloku.
Cape ngayena ngoniphinde ndibuye. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Ngayena ngoniphinde ndibuye. Yandazi ke nawe hayi. So ndilawe ihamba phana yonke lanto and then
Yima ke ngoku le yono taxi ke ngoku iwe inge ifika namahotman okanye ifika nini? At what point in your life?
you know takes.
Yeah.
That's my dad.
Okay, so
Yeah, that's my
you
dad.
were just in the family business.
Yeah, family business. But I wasn't. It wasn't a matter of like I'm driving. I'm just clocking for the niggas because they're still sleeping, and I'm a kid.
Bane papalaza.
And the papalaza, obviously, with the dollies. So
O'clock, I don't understand, obviously.
clock like okay,
Yeah.
I'm sorry because there's like his stand and all that.
You're
thing.
full, like, younger
Yeah,
line
you're
too.
full, yeah.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
obviously, every game you have to clock in when you
Ofika.
Xa imoto like those motos layishayo, you have to clock in.
So that ubekwe line in.
Yeah, so line in yakho,
Okay,
ne
cool.
group yakho. So I like obviously I had to clock in man. Like whenever mhlawumbe ayasela with the dollies, amachera okay fair. Okay, I have to check the time. Okay, sure. This time, 2 o'clock. Yeah, bo.
I hear you.
So yeah, being doing so.
Hey, I have one question for you. Who must drink what?
But yazi Kayone,
Obviously, guys.
kule conversation yakho I feel like ubone wehla poison wena na.
I mean, in like,
Yeah.
it got to a point that I saw about how it affects his around him. Like,
Yeah.
so, like, for example, like, I would pull up, like, Klambi, figure go 5.
Or sukufoni lesingakufumani.
Born la way. So, it kind of made me banned in the Slack. Yeah,
And I have a lot of
Shout
I
out.
have a lot to say about that, but
who's it?
I'm a hold back.
Who's it?
I'm a hold back.
Like, in like, born if it for no,
Nah,
Azola.
but no, dog. But Yone, one thing about you, dog. When you're sloshed, you don't listen.
That's not for the podcast.
I know, but that's why I said I'm gonna hold back.
But at the,
That's what I said. I said I'm gonna hold back.
no man, anyway, like we all know, like we do get Rick. You know, I love having fun. Too much food, like
Who
too much
doesn't?
fun. Yeah,
Who
bro.
doesn't?
Because I mean, we could like at the time we could go from Monday to Monday.
Yeah.
We pago
Fair,
time was 7
fair,
from it to
fair,
Jay-Z, yeah, bro.
fair.
But then I saw, but okay, like now I need to have a structure.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah,
I know,
titties,
but on Friday I can't drink because I have
Shoot. on
a
Saturday.
shoot. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Or if I've worked during the weekend, then I won.
Is that only the reason, dog?
Yeah, it's
Work.
particular that.
Is it only work?
Yeah.
Okay, sure, fair. Okay, sure.
Hey, that was esingayaziyo.
You know, what made you not like dabble on alcohol or
So for me, mna,
When
it's
you was
not
a
even
child.
a religious thing or anything like that. Because most yabantu mhlawumbe akasell because uyakhonza.
Sure.
Mna ngikhonzi yabo. But I just think zange ndayifumana la reason yoba mansele yabo.
At all.
And plus ke I guess I was blessed ba ndibe around like my friends. They don't drink.
Zabor.
So mhlawumbe ayikho la nto yoba.
Yeah, Zabor zakho.
Yabo ayikho la nto yoba mhlawumbe kuthiwa okay influence what yabo. And then even nasekhaya like the 6 of us yabo. 3 girls, 3 guys. They don't drink yabo. So it's like
So you were basically conditioned to whom's
you
your
I don't know about conditioned, but like yeah, and then also like ubona abantu abadala sometimes ubona abantu ngome I don't want this for myself.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's that yeah, but also for the most part it's like yo andiyifuni ke le ndibona yenza ngilo mntu like mhlawumbe abantu mos ba abusive abantu abaselayo abantu abadala yonke la nqonde
You don't want to be
this is
part
not the
of-
life
that's
I
not
want
it.
for myself.
And yeah, boy,
Yeah.
ikrengo lo because now warning we do see in business but a lot of people like they do suffer from like being alcoholics, yeah, boy. And alcohol is a bad thing. It's a contributor. It was a crime, as you said, abuse.
Yeah.
And yeah, in particular, it's not good for your health. Yeah, but
Also,
yeah,
yeah.
I mean, you can't dabble pana page, bon.
Yeah, for sure.
Your party, your kitty, uthini, bon, la way.
But as long as you said it's a contribution.
Yeah, it is a
In a way.
contribution. Yeah, but
I need you to add in a way.
in a way.
Yeah.
How? Okay, it is.
So
It is.
I want
Ah,
to
it
speak
is.
about myself. Nah,
Yeah.
I need you to say it's a contribution in a way. If I'm saying it's a contribution because
So focus on the syntax there.
No.
That's all that matters.
Okay.
Abantu ababuse abantu most of the time zenzeka abantu be under the influence.
Yeah,
That's what he's saying.
Okay,
Yeah.
most of the time, okay, sure, fair. I got you in the balls and the knee.
And I feel like I'm now going to this game celeb emkitini nase-group car. Serious,
Make
big.
me choke on my.
Also, even nakuleni yemigidi, ungumntu othandwa imigidi, ne?
Yeah.
Surely now Tanzania uhamba ngayo.
Mna bone andizange ndaye emigidini yalapha eCape Town yebo.
Yeah.
I don't know but unfortunately
In
for
fact,
me.
okay, since it's
But
gone,
like, I'm
how
not
do
a
you feel
fan.
about me, like new age imigidi?
Yeah, also but I don't understand like inkqubo zalapha sometimes and then obviously you can imagine I'm sober. Ndiyayibona yonke into eyenzekayo so I question a lot of izinto and sometimes ezinye they don't make sense for me so it's a thing of I'd rather not yabo because most abantu bayazithethela into zabo like say hayi kaloku ekuse mhlawumbe ukhulele endlaleni that's why ucifana uba
Or like
isitulo to shower. It doesn't make sense to you because kaloku wena ukhule ngekho mali to do that for you. And then for him now, it's like it's not even about that. Like where I'm from, yabo. I might not come from Imali, but like I've seen families as Nemali where I'm from, and because of how things are done up on Suka Corner, yabo. Even those families as Nemali, they just know limit yabo where okay now you can't go. Like in the was of flexang, instead of they're gonna go crazy on that, on alcohol or whatever. I'm talking nyano pa uqhalwe inkomo 50 whatever. Yabo. That's how they flex. Imali yabo ayibingathanga ngoku iparty like kuphuko DJ Banban and
okanye umntana yalwe ngengoma kaSijaba
or something like that. And then so for him na davele andazi involve ngento zalapha yabo. And yeah, so I can't by 10 yeah.
For I've never experienced yabo like umgidi waselalini ne.
Yeah.
Like from my hometown, yes I have yabo. And as you said, it's different operations from here in the city life.
Yeah.
But also I think now it's gotten to a point that zininzi izinto ngoku even noba sisipha in my hometown, like if a family nayo imali and they see the need to buy, they go all out.
Yeah.
They really go crazy, yabo. Like to a point that now as you said Tamsa kukho DJ, there's performances, there's
Yeah.
It is a celebration, yabo, but I feel like okay, don't you feel like nobody too, don't you feel like mhlambi there is a time for umgida yenziwe kugidwe yonke lo way wenziwe, and then after it's a celebration ba uphelile.
Like umgidi is the celebration for the most part yabo, like bamkela umuntu mos osuke endabeni like ikweko whatever yabo kweko yabo esekendabeni. So
ngizobuyela kula wethu amsaye beyithetha.
Yeah.
I think we focused more on phofu amsaye uphendule like imigidi yalapha.
Sure.
Because lando ayenzeki imigidi yalapha qha.
That's what I'm saying. Where I'm from, yabo. Nyansile, I've seen it. Eastern Cape, like especially SSky. Abantu base SSky, they do it a lot, yabo. When Nyani, bro, because
I'm from Siskai.
And I didn't say YNZ or where, but I'm
No,
saying
I never said about participate.
mostly I've seen it as SSky. Not to say
Transkai. They know that I'm participate kubupang. But anyways, I'm not saying bupang. Recap. But anyways, I'm sorry. No. No. Amela ne. Yazi imigidi yalapha.
Yeah.
Okay, yaseKapa, the only difference between imigidi yalapha eKapa ezi le setha ngayo ngoku. Do you know that the only difference is I feel like itag.
What do you mean by that? As in like itag?
Tag.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
There's a section.
That's the only tag. That's the only thing. Sorry, that's the only thing.
That's what I'm saying, but
So-
for me, that's not the only thing. Yeah, but
You don't want to participate. You don't want to engage. You don't want to like be like cha like how they do their things. I understand what you're saying.
so by tag you mean like the VIP section?
Yeah, they like the VIP section and all that. Zonke zawe tags. That's the only difference because the same thing that happens
Like your peel the way tags.
Yaphila.
That's
Enjoy.
crazy.
same thing that happens like mhlambe Guksi, FLP, whatever they call it, as Kasi. Yaphila Eastern Cape, but now it's only the tag in the Eastern Cape. I got tag Eastern Cape.
Because I feel
I
like
got tag Eastern Cape.
don't you feel like say like okay, like not to point any dirty fingers or anything, yabo, but don't you feel like mhlambi with some of these families, yabo, with that are wealthy, yabo,
Yeah.
in a way they could be like a money laundering scheme between those celebrations and the guy.
Nah,
Like where they go all out and spend a lot of money.
No, dog.
On
I've
paper, it seems like it's legit,
I've
but
never went to think that far, dog.
But like how would they launder Imari Mkitin?
I mean, like let's say like if they would buy a lot of expensive things, ne, and then
Yeah.
according to paper being ati this
okay,
amount
fair,
is
fair,
tile,
fair,
but
makes
now
sense.
imali qetayo njengalana.
I don't
But
see it
celebration.
how, but okay. Yeah.
But also yona yazi noni. Yabona le migidi fethu, as much as they do yonke yonke whatever they're doing. Fethu. Yabona mizi. I just know bana akukho malume, akukho tata, akukho noni. I don't care dog.
Yeah.
Na as umalume dog. Mina bona I have okay sisters I'm sorry because yena wachatela like on the other side of like like what's it? I think Tswana or whatever you call
Yeah,
it.
sure.
Okona ndibuza nona zoluka nini kodwa akalo chatile sister wakho. No, damn kana ndilibe. Ngiliba lokho.
Yeah. Uma zifikile ixesha ngo.
Because manje zifuna apha endwana.
Yeah.
Sizibone apha zizoluke lapha. Unfortunately, zindwana zomtshado.
Nah, but also
Because I wouldn't allow yonke la
sometimes it's not even a thing of ba abekho omalume yabo. Lendi choba there's imali there's power in there yabo. So xa wena
to make
look,
things easier.
listen yabo. Masithi wena sister wakho has more money than wena ne. Noba like uyafuna kangakanani umcebisa bo. You can only say so much yabo. Because at the end of the day, what are you doing? Onamali wena let's say ungazola mhlamba unamali. Yena she's paying for yonke lento and then if uthi yena abantwana bam I'm going to do this and this when uzawuthi hey kodwa dadewethu but that's all you can do. Awuzumstopper.
I'm saying the best thing you can do. Thatha iviceroy yakho ufike phana uthi wabulala utata wena. Simple. Phela yonke lonto. Yabonke ngigqibile umgidi.
Uzaphila utata then what do you do?
Kaloku khangela umadabawo baninzi abantu abafile efamily yakho lo
Ah, bafethu man.
Makaphele lo mgidi soze endlini ekhaya kubekho umntana ozohlala kwi-crown ubhanqi noma
bese mhlambi she has a house in the city okanye town usepha iqonce but mhlambi like on the suburb side.
That's the first thing. Yintwana etheni ulukele town.
Mhlawumbe ayizokulukela pha ingayolukela elalini then aqomela.
Okay, iqonce town. Umzekelo, okay, I won't mention names but kukho abantu obulukele town ne. I have no problem with them.
You wanted to mention names?
Yeah, I don't want to mention names. I was about to mention names.
Who's mention about?
No. But okay, anyways. Abantu obulukele town and now I've always believed that. Yabona jonga umzekelo nina as much as you differentiate everything like no eBhaya ko Eastern Cape. No, you stupid.
I don't think Congress is Eastern Cape.
I'm not saying.
Abantu baseBhaya bayatsho ba eBhaya cause Eastern Cape.
No.
John.
Baphambene.
Like say I get the concept. Like for example, like
I'm telling them.
I can get it by cause it's Lalin, but don't say cause it's
no. But cause it's
Eastern Cape says Lalini. I don't care noba kuthiwa kwenze kanjani. Eastern Cape says Lalini.
Cause khona
townships.
Like eBhaya, it's a township.
Okay, mamela ke.
Xa kuba township,
eBhaya, township. iMonti ayo township yaqonda iMonti neScenery Park abakuhlatywa
Look, obviously yonke indawo wena fethu just like Cape Town ne Cape Town is there's a city side and then there's townships yonke indawo zinalo set up even if useBhaya umzekelo
thank you Tamsai
okanye andiyazi Bhaya imile njani but most of towns ne let's say mhlawumbe uthi Queenstown there's umzekelo Queenstown khona side where it's like okay the city life whatever then khona ilali yabo
Esbeleni
eBhaya they have that I'm not familiar like that with eBhaya it's khona in that way it's like okay zilali is zikhona
but yeah it was gone indawo ngathi okay you can feel
you can feel but like
but hilali kaloku
okay
but Tamsai okay mandibeke njani eBhaya ne ayikho indawo whereas ungafila ingathi mhlawumbe useqonqa. But to me, mna as a person, mna I know iBhaya ilali. I don't care noba uhlala eBhaya dog. Noba mangafumana backlash. I don't care. iBhaya kum mna andiyibona as ilali but obviously ndizayiapproacha ngalangqondo yoba it's PE.
Okay, bantu baseBhaya, can you break le ndawo lapha ku-comments
yeah they should
because andiyazi eBhaya
Eastern Cape and Eastern Cape fethu xa kuthiwa Eastern Cape mfethu umuntu kuthiwa uyezipito.
Kalo fethu le ngisho ba i-terminology le but like
but eBhaya city Sam.
What are you saying Gandhi?
Okay. But it's part of Inoni.
I think wazola is against abantu baveske bathi ba eBhaya is not part of Eastern Cape.
Yeah, well, that's my chat because I want to dim your light.
It's like saying
Cape Town
is not a part of
Like I've never heard lot take you about because Eastern Cape. I've heard them saying about because it's Lalin, which is I can agree number. The part of eBhaya that I've been to Aizolali whenever they say bye.
You went to the subs.
That's what I'm saying kaloku. Yeah, but no. Kaloku alizange nahlala if obviously uyele like a geek or whatever. I also figure uyohlala esilalini as you guys are saying.
Obviously, summer strand.
So yeah.
Okay, I fair.
In particular, like I really want us to dabble upon like this thing of having like online friends, bro. Like, I would like to ask, do you have friends, or do you have like online friends?
Me.
Yeah. Sometimes as an OG, friends are
yeah, I'm not for him.
Yeah.
I'm like my online friends. also my friends are outside
Yeah,
of
I know.
social media.
It distinction is very clear for
Sure.
them. But I know these people from Facebook. Then abandoned buzz here from outside of Facebook. It's the same people that I chill with, yeah, bro.
Yeah,
And then you can tell even when I'm commenting or whatever. When I'm not like a social media person, yeah, bro. I mostly engage with friends yeah, bro.
But also, why women buza no mention of Mami Zeto?
Usual
I was
about
about to go back to that.
like okay, not
Like,
But it be example,
Who's
be
Mami
example.
Yeah.
Mami Z could be as a call and whoever names something as the most. That's how it works. Yeah.
That is crazy. It's crazy.
What do you mean? Are you guys
Okay,
seeing
I
Zendaya? Because maybe
Oh.
and Zendaya is my friend outside of Facebook.
Yeah.
Like we're friends.
Yeah, my
And
friend
even
who's
Umzekelo. Do you have
I have
do you
a
what?
friend who's gone.
Do you friend?
I used to have a friend that's Zikona on my first account. Then I don't know.
Mami Z then. Yeah.
I don't know what happened. I added her on the second account and then she never accepted the friend request. I think I'm like, I don't know.
But him, do you
never
feel like
mind,
it say? Because if I got a time second account, yeah, friendship with
No, I don't know.
So that's okay. Clearly, when I experience
I don't know where we stand.
of online friends, how does it work again?
Yeah,
Are you guys?
How does he make you feel now?
How does it make me feel?
Yeah.
Yazi, I should have called him. I've always been a person, John. Okay, I'm gonna try and just sorry to backtrack.
Yeah.
Sure.
But now I came from the Eastern Cape now. Like I had friends like Amachitamo from like primary school, and then I came back to Cape Town because I went for high school to Eastern Cape, and then I came back. When I came back, I felt like I don't want people that's gonna be my friends. Yeah, but I don't want.
Sound guy, oh, you're stressed. Cool, man.
Oh, sorry.
As a sucker. Yeah, boss, boss.
Okay, friends.
Yeah, Ibama pay.
Sure. So when I got here, I told myself, I'm not that person. There was gay when I'm signing now also.
Yeah.
There was bamba when I need to.
Sure.
When
Nazi
I need
boundaries.
to. When I need to. So I felt like when I get to Cape Town, Afnekanga, because already there's people that know me. People know me from Facebook. So I can't just be friends with everyone.
Yeah, for sure.
I have to pick my circle. I'm the only. I like to believe that I'm the only popular person, like only known person. No, from my friend group.
Oh,
like
yeah.
my friend
Close
group.
friend.
The
online friends team.
The online friends.
I would no.
Okay, okay.
But like people from Facebook, like people that I stay with, so I'm the only known person.
You're the
Like
only famous
I try
person.
to push
You're the
them
only
in,
famous person.
but I don't want to push them in that much.
Yeah.
They have to do their own thing.
Yeah. Ngabi ngathi.
Whatever. No, man, do your own thing. I'm doing my own thing, dog. Do your own thing. I don't know if this is what you want.
Yeah.
Because Shakes doesn't like to be seen.
Yeah.
So I don't want to push Shakes. He has to first discover himself as a person, like self-confidence and everything like that. So I can't push Shakes. Obviously, the first thing you want the camera, whoa. I don't want that.
Yeah. So, but my question is, like, I feel like you telling it to me like outside of Facebook. I want to know online. You're going there.
I'm going there.
Online friends.
I'm making an example.
Okay.
So now, each chomzam. I came to each chomzam easy, chomzam fine, locked in. So off Facebook, each chomz of Facebook, but it was quite right. Where some they're right, some or not. It's very unlikely to find each chomz of Facebook right.
I think on all social
I think I
media
mentioned
platforms.
one friend in Mklambi, of which because there's quite a few from Facebook. Is it right? But there's a lot isn't called right. Because in fact, you can't just pick someone. Because you know how do we pick each other? You have a following. I have a following.
Yeah, because I've heard like people with following specifically.
Yeah, they like to click.
There's like a WhatsApp group,
That's
and then
why.
when
It's
you
a cult
post,
or whatever.
Yeah,
you just like everyone
Yeah,
goes
I've
and
never
share.
been part of his culture.
Nah, and abanye
Social
abantu
media,
believe-
I've never been.
I don't want that, dog.
and abanye abantu bayakwazi bakuthiwe umzekelo mna noAzola online it's like sitight Azola so only to find out but we've never met umzekelo, which is crazy for him.
Yabona, that's why I made an example. Because Shakes has no example. Yo man, sorry, has no following. Sorry, has no following on Facebook, dog. Has no following. Sorry, has no following. Shakes akaziwa ku Facebook, but he's my friend.
Yeah.
With Shakes, angatbana. Yeah, Azola, no. No one believe him.
I feel
How
like
come you don't believe it? Because, what do you mean when you chom Azola?
Yeah.
We're expecting this type of following.
Abantu simbona
kulo mntu.
interactor nabo,
Yeah,
yeah.
this type of following kulo mntu.
So when I'm guessing you're saying ba you don't take as a friendship serious.
Yeah, I don't take them serious. But okay, there's some when I see about okay genuine. Because I've seen.
But also, do you have names where you feel like okay, Ubani, I've managed to make a friendship and I feel
healthy
like
food, right?
if I'm getting a moshagala, I would feel some type of way.
Yeah.
I'd say Usbahle Kyongo.
Yeah.
I feel very bad if you paid friendship.
Okay. Do you have anyone else?
Who else?
Hashem
Yo,
Kayo.
there's quite a few people. There's quite a people. Bro. I think for now, because Usbahle is my sister, man.
Yeah. I'm part of Black Group, your Shakes, must namas.
That's no bad.
Nah, but I don't count you. I wouldn't count you. I wouldn't count this nigga.
Yeah, but for me, like,
I wouldn't count this nigga.
Yeah, it's fine.
I wouldn't count you, dog.
Yo, this is like Namaka song, we came
He's
from
like last time I came from that.
Come on, this is last time.
Oh, you wouldn't count him as a Facebook friend.
I wouldn't. I don't count Yon as a Facebook friend.
You count him as a friend outside of.
Yon is my brother.
Oh yeah,
he's a brother,
for
straight
sure.
brother.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
for
for me,
sure.
like as online friendships, they
Yeah.
tend to have a certain backfire because if you let like like especially if nangabana by two why
Yeah.
like it really influences how into in spananja
Yeah.
because now you tend to forget that by say we're actually friends but not a matter of bad as collaborators, which is now I feel like if you would want a healthy friendship online, you'd rather collaborate with them, and not get that personal.
But
Because-
like you make clear intentions about okay, guys, let's work together.
Because
Yeah.
I feel like as a group chat as like it would be a matter of like say yo,
group chats?
Yeah, I mean, obviously I don't know, but like I've heard, I don't know. I saw some.
I've never been part of a group chat, dog.
but I think Zico now.
I've never been part of a group chat.
But also I'm like, why create a group chat? Yeah, but
I'm sorry.
Look, guys, guys, abantu ababukelene, can you help me out, yabo? Even if nagena nina abantu babane group chat where people bayachaza papa okay, I'm about to post this and this and that.
Wait, what?
Yo, that's deep.
Yes,
you're
bro,
part
it
of
gets
that?
crazy,
For
yabo. For engagement, yeah, because
My nigga, you're part of
he has
that.
following. He has following.
I don't even have a phone,
I am
bro.
following umzekelo.
You don't even what?
I have a phone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he doesn't have a phone.
But for me, like
But you do post.
yeah. But I feel like that's
Igroup chat
really
yakwazi on Facebook, dog. Xa upostayo xa uyojonga apha egrouphini ukhe ndiposte intoni.
Uyayazi.
Ngena kwelo group chat.
Those group chats. I'm sorry, I'm gonna give you my phone.
Yeah.
Uzijongele. Those
But
group
what's the
chats are part of
criteria?
requests.
How called?
They're
Yes.
like message requests. That's
Yes.
fair, dog. I'm gonna show you my phone.
Come
I'm not
on.
even part of. I don't even
Accept.
participate
Like
in
Nyango
group
Bango
chats and all
Tanyana's
that.
creators.
Like I had a lot of those. Okay, sure, fair. It's tough in I'm sorry.
Yo, Andy Lockable.
I had a lot of
You
those.
mutata is
My first account. One my saying if I'm group chat ephambeneyo.
no man. I think times ithetha ngezi intentional ba mna.
Kubaloti is on Tata up. Hey,
Come on,
asayifuna.
This nigga.
Asayifuna.
No man, but I'm sorry. If you touch my phone, then you go back. I'm gonna slap you. You're on this. And Jonga, before you read this, someone
Mami
replied
age.
to your story. Funda kuthiwani.
Ha sakukhumbula. Eh?
Yo boy.
Except Valentine's, yabo. Ziyekeni izinto ungamoshela umjida yabona. No. Zonke zazithetha azikho umuntu kaAzola. Actually, zithini plans zakho bavalazo.
Now you can you put up the screenshot to her.
I'm gonna pull it up. I'm gonna make sure.
Do you guys celebrate Ivalazo?
For me, I haven't reached that. Yeah, but Rione,
You are fucking.
I don't wanna say anything about Rione, but he's gonna speak for himself.
I mean,
because if I speak, it's shy.
It's like hey, Valentine's. I mean, there is gonna be a celebration, but I mean, the only different
Every
thing
day is Valentine's, guaco boy.
Tini?
Every day is Valentine's.
You
Day.
know, boy,
Oh,
it's cozy. It's always cozy. You always eat good food.
Yeah.
But
Women don't like that, dog.
you know, like,
Women don't like that
For me, the
mentality. But women don't like that mentality.
dog, the only difference is that on Valentine's Day is babomvu. We wear red. That's the only
Cause the
difference.
roads, huh, Bayon?
My dog, come on, bro. Like people go out shoot content, they wearing red or a couple. They
So
have
you're trying to
roses
tell
or
me
whatever.
date yako and I'm telling you red?
No,
Oh, fair.
I'm not even going on
sorry?
it because I don't get like concept. You get like concept when you like this whole Valentine's Day concept. You know,
Dog,
Like,
I get the
obviously,
concept, but I'm not.
Abantu ne, they always bafuna uza nehistory yayo into zevalazo, but you guys celebrate Valazo, this and this and this. Do you know if Valentine's is P? And I feel like those people buy miss the point of Valazo. I feel like if Valentine's Day, it's similar to a birthday or an anniversary or whatever. Yabo. People born obviously if I balekanga, but like it's just a day to remind. Obviously, we am telling them to work, but abantu Valentine's we buy a little bit special. You don't every day buy flowers, ne? But like I mean, iba khona that reminder. Okay, actually, let me go buy your baby flowers. You know what? Let's go out, no baby, to a spa, whatever. Yabo. Even if you are ends like during the year, but like specifically, lamini, it's for abandu. Just like a reminder, but actually I have a partner.
maybe
but
for about they don't go
mna
out all the time.
benza milio jonge flowers and then it's like figures is sold out. Yabo. So
Kamsani?
Yeah, bro.
Should I call someone?
You
Who
might-
got
you
these
might.
flowers? Those ladies, yabala. Yeah.
okay. But wait,
No. Uthe uzamile, and then wazama, and that's fine, it's fine. Wait,
so ndatheng
Wait, you're not.
andisigqiba nge-statement.
I never set your number when
Okay,
that's
and
like,
then
babe.
andisigqiba nge-statement
Awusigqibile kum.
and then
Usigqibile.
I bought something
No,
different.
usigqibile kum.
What was that?
No, usigqibile kum. Yeah.
Ndiyadlala man, I'm not even in a relationship, but dog, to be honest.
But you tried to.
Mamela, boy.
Yeah?
Ndiyadlala.
Hello, Nande. How are you?
Speak.
Hi,
Unjani?
right njani?
Right now, kukumfana ufuna i-roses apha noma sifike later kamine.
Yo, sana ziphele em.
Hayi ke. Ndizamile.
Awuna plug ekhoyo around Cape Town.
Yavuya.
Yo, uzifuna Cape Town lo mntu?
Cause awuna plug ekhoyo nje Cape Town because I need those flowers. Ndifuna zithenge, ndifuna ubone zithenga.
Kondo ufuna uyibona.
Ewe.
Nathanda ngajonga ku-Instagram.
Okay, I sure fair. It's fine.
Hayi ke. Told you sold out.
Yo, you dodged the bullet.
Sold out.
Abaphelanga abantu bam dog.
Ah kaloku vethu
Mamela,
mahluleli.
yabo la nto buyithetha wena tamsa hey la nto kazintoni ezo. Into like i-anniversary, i-birthdays nentoni. I feel like zinto personal like
Yeah, those
kwabantu
are personal,
as.
man. Yeah.
For me, like Valentine's Day, it's just like a holiday.
So what are you saying about Christmas? You don't celebrate Christmas, New Year's.
Don't.
Nah, but
But you see, it's specific
It's
to you.
Christmas,
But the
get your
general
car,
public,
Nah,
bias, okay. Even if some they even have like a culture, a family where says but no but on Christmas Day you have to spend it with your family, yabo. So just because when you feel like I'm always with my family, wara, that's fine. But for abanye abantu I work in a different city, no. But yes, but you're young, I'm gonna make sure at least in a Christmas Day. Because the Christmas Day, if it's a culture, because sometimes they get sebenze Joes, Durban and Eastern Cape and the family like Cape Town. When I Cape Town and Kwazim, njalo. But if siyayazi it's a family thing, Christmas, we make sure basi back in the city. Then kulula to celebrate as family yabo. So maybe it might not make sense kwabanye abantu because wena mhlambi family yakho uhlala nayo yonke yabo and okanye nje kokweni zange ne celebrate. But it doesn't mean I suka yenza sense. Why would you yabo?
Because I'm dismissing.
Yeah, doesn't make sense.
It's in like a perspective, yeah.
I'm a man. Even Valentine's Day, I love it, but it's just that yenza kangenami.
So now I'm
go.
Like I'm being for real. And so.
But do you agree with the whole concept of?
I agree with the whole concept. Like if I had money, I would just, if ever, some.
Sure, come to Kumba says statements.
I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure.
Sure about come to feel some type of way
pretty sure
about this statement.
Pretty sure.
Again, are you sure?
And
I don't know shit.
This me.
Okay, sorry guys. Sorry.
This me.
Hey man, let's move to entertainment news before Kalazo's
damn.
Let's move to entertainment news. Rockers, unfortunately, Back to Autumn is cancelled. But we surely do have something going on. We're planning on something as Zayo. Yeah, but Rockers as in Mossel Bay, you should expect us on the 28th. We're doing an activation
yes,
that
sir.
side. I'll be there.
I'll be there.
will be there. Damsai will be there. Best Hip Hop said in the game. Lusco Fan Pierce will be there. And the DJ Vejas, not Vejas. Vejas, yeah,
Net
so make
sure,
you follow us on all our social media platforms to see Sizakwenza on the next coming months. And also, I'll always update you here on the podcast. So, yeah, bro. Are you ready for Mossel Bay?
Now for sure, Mossel Bay's family.
Yeah,
Mossel Bay's family. I feel like
for sure.
Also, they gave us what's this?
Take my boy.
It's one of Indao that made us
showed us a lot of love.
When also like last year and Saifuma and Mossel Bay, but actually, Snayo Amanda to do something outside of Cape Town. So
yeah,
if you remember,
I think it was the
first ever. Yeah, so Mossel Bay is here,
nice,
it's very close to heart, and also Amanda Bapa have shown love,
Sure.
Like even on socials, I've managed to connect even Amanda says Mossel Bay, I'm out about I'll push her and so
even
definitely
food.
Similar, Yongela,
like
Garden Route is a
Garden Route.
dope place, yeah. So
yeah.
Did you guys see la always be saying the kuma class la backlash be for men?
Yo, bro, that was crazy.
Yes, dog.
Ema, do you feel like that song was bad?
That's the thing. I've heard more on the worst songs, and I don't think that's a bad song. My initial reaction to the song was not, but this song is bad.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, I'm not even appreciate a collaboration because I didn't see it coming with Olero and Machasa. I was like, yo, shout out to Amajita for
doing this,
for
doing
collaborator because it's not I can't really born Caesar, to be honest,
yeah.
And I appreciate, and obviously I might be biased because Amajita that I'm in the same space as them, but I didn't think the song was bad, but like obviously we are born almost in them time we born early when, and then you realize that as by hey, people are born
bashing it.
they're saying
What's
some
your
words.
line line
And the ngoma look, I only turn on the today you can turn on me today. that was the never so much class is
Sure.
AI. I mean I'm messing with those vibes.
Sure.
Also, not someone who listens to my class. I feel like that's my cousin being my class.
Exactly.
Yeah, man. My boy playing around.
I don't expect my class to be on a different tip like community. How my class is obvious. My class doesn't go where he's.
For me, the funny part is that Gabandu that don't even actively listen to hip hop, they had a lot to say.
It's always the case.
The song.
It's always the case. Yeah. But sometimes, you know, engage in a band. I'm like, you know what? It's not worth it, especially old niggas, because it's usually. I mean, I'm an old nigga, so I'm like, yo,
I'm uncle.
sometimes and port. So that's why I think I engage because I'm just like, hey man, whatever.
Sure.
And as long as abantu machasenze labona lengoma beyithanda, that's good enough for him.
Sure.
So yeah.
Nah man, but I think he has known like, okay, now that there's monetization and everything on Facebook, I feel like every backlash counts for something.
There's that
Like,
too.
yabona, every backlash counts for something. Because imagine if I with my kind of influence,
Yeah.
if I backlash my casa, because people are obviously gonna go with the flow. Like, okay, who's this?
Kuba's a training topic. Everyone's gonna
Yeah, they
Yeah.
wanna see who's this person.
For sure.
So I feel like Makasa's winning at the end of the day. That's why he had to post about whether you like it or not. I am posting this, and
Yeah.
and I know when he does post it, it's gonna get viewers.
Not for sure, but
A
also,
lot of them.
Ngagi, you know, if it obviously, Makasa can put a face in Jalo, but honestly speaking, as someone who does art, it's not nice when people say shit like that about your craft.
about your craft,
Whether
yeah.
obviously you have a thick skin and then Kambi, you're gonna. But at the end of the day, when it's just you, boy, it's always a thing of ish. Kambi, iba corners are doubts, but maybe the song is not. It's not the one or whatever.
Because I feel like at times the boy audience it makes it hard for new coming artists in the industry like Cape Town to come up, because ngoku, if something like that can happen to Makasa, then it could happen to me. Like, for example, and I hope that Abana Bazula is, because this girl who Esonam Dibazan, she released a new. She's featured with song hip hop. I mean not hip hop. I'm a piano.
Yeah, and I've
piano
seen the
3-step
clips,
or
actually.
something like that. Three
Yeah,
step.
it's a 3-step
And
song.
it's a different sound and it's a proper sound for a
Yeah.
Cape Town sound, and she's a good vocalist because Kamalaki is artist name yake Esona M.
Yeah.
She's lit.
Now
Good
I've
job.
seen clips, boy, on online, and I think it's dope that obviously there's a gap for it, but again, and as you talk about, if one person got band who have like huge following, let's say on a problem, no, and so on outside of her art, if they say some shit, bam, let's say it sounds like so and so. That if ever the Zaba gonna come and say, you know what, and then imagine we know about that's a good song, but
It's
it's
a
like
Facebook thing, man.
yeah.
It's a Facebook
So
thing.
For me, like I say, like even there's a lot of things that's been happening on social media actually for the past few weeks, especially in particular this past week Bisuka Guye.
yeah.
And I'm sure you were replying to a post. There's a post that you shared regarding
Yeah,
Miss
bro.
Java and the funeral Yongelawe. And then
See, that one was crazy and it hit home for me. Yeah, bro.
yeah, for context,
Which one
but
is
this
it?
thing la post be like
Obviously, I don't remember it word to word, ne, but it was a thing of
But
Lamdana was questioning.
Oh, that Dolly.
That was
Dolly.
questioning the
Lamna.
credibility guy.
Eastern's gas Java on the
With
whole
the
Bravo
situation,
situation
yeah,
on
yeah.
some. He didn't say anything. What a warena. My chat was going to Bonala way. I'm like, I'm at the funeral, yeah, bro. And I'm just like, Java is sitting here, but next to us.
right here, fool.
Yeah, bro, and then there's someone pushing a narrative on Facebook. Chances are, Wazu Bravo, the artist, yeah, bro. And then
Not
that's it, yeah, bro.
That's me.
So, hey, man. We are PTs at dog, yeah, bro. But anyway, as I was saying, yeah, bro.
Yeah.
So that one was crazy for him because I'm just
Sorry
like,
for
hey, man.
that audience. Director here and
This guy.
This guy's like eavesdropping. Again, you're teeny boy. Chill. Chill.
Chill.
Chill. But yeah, Tamsan.
So yeah, and deliberate but anyway, it's crazy, man. Social media is that, to be honest, about just people having your opinion on things they don't know anything about. And what's even crazier is the fact that people don't comment. They kept on telling her, but look, there could be a better explanation for Leandro, and maybe Java is
push this
grieving
narrative.
a little bit different.
Yeah.
And also, not everyone is in the for socials, because in her head she thinks Wongumdu is living the social media life. So every step of your life you have to document and which is it's not the case.
And he was not even gonna announce, but I'm gonna come
You
to.
know,
Like, obviously, it's not
because he doesn't want to make it about him.
It's not a gig.
He doesn't want to
Why
make
would
it
you- why
about
would you-
him.
And people-
Why would I post Bokibanza Basemkitini ka Tabrav? Why would I post that?
Especially if you're a Java, because
funeral.
Obviously, you're so damn.
Funeral.
especially if you're a Java, you know already the attention could
I don't know about
shift,
Mkidi.
Yeah.
could shift from what we're about to be about when. Because you remember on the day memorial, yabo, or I'm sorry, the funeral. When Uschava went outside,
People
people just
respect
stood up and then
That's
which was
one thing
crazy
about,
for him.
I feel like that's one thing people spoke about. I don't remember when.
But anyway,
I'm
Bon,
not quite
I don't
sure
want us
the
to
way.
dwell on the Bravo situation. Just let
Nah, we're not
my
dwelling on
nigga,
that. We're not dwelling. Okay,
rest in peace.
in
Let's
peace,
just,
guy.
yeah.
Yeah.
We're not focused on that now, but I just want us to speak about the taking of pictures of celebrities at funerals. Yeah, I understand. You guys don't know this person. You feel like, okay, this is an icon. This is like someone that you look up to. This is that person. But guys, this person is grieving. You could see Ustrava. That nigga wasn't okay.
Yeah.
That nigga went outside. He
Yeah.
came back.
Yeah.
He sat there at the back. He wasn't in it.
Sure.
But people kept on. Even when we got to the Bravo's place, like people kept on taking pictures, and then he kept on saying, "Okay, I'm coming back." He knew he's not coming back. He just wanted that, like, "Okay, I'm coming back so that you guys can stop taking pictures, so I can buy home."
Yeah.
So it's a matter of, I think I've seen that a lot up in Cape Town. Because I think it's a Cape Town thing, because I've never seen that in Pretoria, for instance.
I
Yeah,
mean, you
man.
wouldn't know because you're not tapped in on
not
the
tapped in the
Pretoria
okay,
scene.
maybe I'm not tapped in, I'm tapped in Cape Town, but okay, fair.
Yeah.
Man,
Because I'm sure abantu Pretoria didn't see land of Titanga, yabo.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for sure.
but
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
but I also, man.
Speaking of Pretoria cats and Josie cats, don't you feel like Scorpion Kings no being too accessible here in Cape Town?
Hey man, I've seen that chat,
what?
yabo. But again, boy, a bag is bag. If you,
I'm not saying like it's a bad thing or
Yeah.
anything, but they frequently hear could there be something happening?
I don't
or-
feel-
mhlawumbe kaloku they born because remember ne most yamachita who are based in Jozi yabo, Cape Town it's still obviously they're not from here.
Yeah.
Tina, we might say but there's no industry here, there's this and this and this and this, but for
there's an
them
opportunity for
it,
more.
there's space for them. They see opportunities yabo. So if and they know once they come to Cape Town, let's say you get a booking Renz or Populous yabo.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
They're gonna sort you out.
They know when they're in Cape Town, if Populous
Scenes,
books them, there's gonna
drama.
be saint, there's gonna be drama, there's gonna
Like
be this and that.
hijacks,
yabo.
hijacks, yeah.
So,
Kidnapping.
when they in Joburg, tell me they're gonna do like one club a night, yabo.
Gala
Because
weekend for
yes,
that
and
day
then
even.
and there's demand, yabo. Because sometimes Abandu they don't make his decision out of
Yeah,
out
for
of the
me, I
blue.
think also like it's a
Sometimes
matter
you
of
find out.
demand, you
Also,
know.
umzekelo abantu, they
High
check their
demand.
statistics, and if you see, actually in Cape Town, I have a lot of following. Yabo. Why not avail myself to my people in Cape Town? Yabo? Could be that. One, they just get booked in Cape Town and then they
For
take
me, I
the
feel
kids.
like for me, I mean, I love them so much, and as a fan, like I would really want to see them like more frequently, because it's one thing seeing them on mix that's happening on YouTube, but like if you get to experience the whole, the whole experience, the whole performance, it's a different feel, yeah, bro.
Yeah.
So and also like we're getting it back. Let's do it now. If I would like be booked or go get charged, I'm gonna be a
Yeah,
judge.
for
you know?
instance, Lamachita phone, they already have like a booking on the 2nd of May. Bayabuy. Now, I think it's July and June.
Yeah.
Bayabuy. Yeah, in Cape Town.
Damn.
And
obviously-
also, remember-
and also they're doing like separate gigs.
And
or
remember, in
like
Cape Town,
individual.
celebrity culture is not a thing.
Yeah,
Yabo.
it's not.
Sometimes people get to leave when they're in Cape Town and just experience being a
in the
normal
background.
person. You can walk at the waterfront yabo, without getting stopped in every corner. So
Yeah,
there's that.
I
yabo.
get that as a
And
celebrity born in the
also-
get.
Hey man, I
Also,
mean you
Yazi-
know, yeah.
Lamachita, as much as they come from Johannesburg, when they get to Cape Town, they get like a lot of benefits.
Such as
I mean, they get okay, they get like booked in, like wherever. Okay, let's say maybe this like they want a 5-star hotel.
Sure.
yeah.
Yeah, they want a 5-star hotel. Like, akufani man. I don't think right Zabo from okay. Imagine from that side, ne? Umchito, he comes from his house, he goes to his gig,
Yeah.
he goes back to his house. Okay, he comes from his house, wherever, and then like gig to gig,
Yeah.
home. But here, it's a matter of like apartment or villa or whatever you call it.
Yeah. And also,
and then what do you know those things, man? Is he hijacks? I don't know.
Yeah.
Kidnapping, whatever you do, like DJing, like people that DJ, they know those things. So imagine I get booked at Rams and then hijack, Saint, hijack, whatever, hijack.
And also,
there's a lot of money. And then at the end of the day, and there's baddies involved.
and it's always the case.
There's a lot of things.
To add, let me
There's
say
writers here and there.
To add, let me
And you
say
don't even
on a
finish
bit.
those writers, dog. Imagine you have 30 second set.
Minutes.
You can't tell
Minutes.
me. Oh, sorry, 30 minutes. Damn. 30 minutes set, 30 minutes set, 30 minutes set, 30 minutes set.
Yeah,
And then you're done. dog.
Yeah, and also people
And then it's
outside
done.
of your city, they're always willing to pay
More.
Yeah, but
More
like
than the people that,
because
they're the people that are locked in.
Yeah.
dog. So they're always willing to pay more. So it goes with a lot of things. And then Apikapa, like I call an artist as the same way as those niggas. I'm sorry.
who are as big as those niggas. Yeah, for sure.
Hell no.
Hey, big niggas. Yeah.
Those are, they call them Mahrotman, but yeah.
Momela, there was something that I saw like on the net. I think it was on TikTok, but Pakati vegan, but it was not like a thing that got to me, but it was just something that I wanted
Came
us to
across,
discuss
oh.
more. So I think it was a video guy, Penuel, the black player, Nebo.
Yeah.
Where he said, he feels like closer people are the white black people.
Yeah.
Like,
Definitely.
Like, would that be like? Do you feel like that's tribalism, or was it just a statement?
No, it's a statement.
For me, ne, I have a different take. I'm leaning more tribalism, yeah, but I also lean more on the fact that he doesn't know what he's talking about, yeah, because I saw that, and then when he was, because people were asking, but what do you mean by that? He was like, yo, he mentioned in Yoba like, Kosa are the only Ngunis who had like English or Grootboom, whatever European surnames, and then
or January,
yeah, but so or April, whatever, yeah, but so he that was one of his points, and then people try to explain to him, but like unlike Amazulu, for us, a surname it doesn't mean anything.
I saw Stu.
It's not part of a clan,
Yeah,
yeah, but
yeah.
Kuti, it's more clan than surnames.
Yeah.
So, cause he's looking at from a point of Zulu people. Umzekele yakwazi uba ngomkhize. Then Omkhize,
Yeah.
it's part of. We can share same clan but different surnames.
Exactly, yeah.
But for them, if we have the same name, then it means we are related in a way. Yeah, so people try to explain to him because he was saying, closer people, why they kept the European surnames and they could have changed it but in reality, for us, it's not part of our identity.
No,
like
as
if
such.
umzekelo, if your girl is surname yakhe April and you are April, but when I'm mhlawumbe ngumgcina nina yena nguJola,
You're not related.
you guys could still be in a relationship
Yeah, you're not
because it
related.
doesn't mean anything. Yeah, I think that's one of his, he doesn't get here. He just thought of Lando and then what nje. Yeah, so it's, for me, it's just like not
And with
knowing.
only,
Yeah,
only influencer.
Yeah.
When you said definitely, you are white.
you said it's just a statement.
Or
Yeah.
just-
I think it's just a statement.
And he said he agrees
like,
with.
Utamsa, I feel like he came with another point that I didn't even think of. Because I don't know how far he went with whatever he said. I don't know how he.
So when at first value ngobusiva lando,
yeah.
what were you agreeing with? Ke mhlambi? Let's hear that
definitely all
perspective.
the
Yeah.
white people, like white
black people. How?
Pause.
Yeah, but like
Fair
what
to-
is
Tina, we carried the country. Tina, we carried the country.
so white people are carrying our country?
yeah, but like, I didn't think far ancient. I didn't think that far.
It's fine.
Yeah, but I didn't think that far. So I thought like, is okay. Oh, you on Gen Z? What's the one who Gen Z?
Msutu yona, so.
Kutezo uthi, oh yona.
Kaloku oyone.
Oh, okay.
Tell was it? Kayone, come on. Like okay, if ever you think about it, sometime, go bani abantu that carry the country.
In terms
On
of
a bigger
what?
scale, it's the Zulu people, yeah, bro. What do you
It
mean?
is.
Aye, come on, nigga. Aye, come on, I'm sorry. How?
I feel like you're not tapped
Even-
in.
even
Yeah,
I am tapping
because
out.
remember,
historical.
population
No,
Amazulu.
no. Eh?
Firstly, Amazulu have like the biggest population in the country.
No, Tamsai, man.
and they are based in Joburg. There's more Zulu than Xhosas, yabo.
Yeah.
And that's where a lot of izinto are happening. Even on TV in Jama Dog.
You see,
This is one.
KZN
two,
is much more
mostly
dominant.
soapies, drama, whatever.
No,
It's Zulu people.
No ways, Tamsai, I'm sorry.
It's fine, like you can.
No. Who are the people that carry the country?
How?
In what way? Because entertainment,
Okay, listen.
Zulu people.
Okay, fair. Okay, ucula,
Sports,
man, I don't care
Zulu
about
people.
those. I'm not okay. Obviously, ucula siyacula kumnandi. It's okay, siyacula kumnandi. But okay. Tamsai, we work throughout the year. Go December, sitting. How good day yakho? How do you focus? Focus about cause.
And even the point yakho, but okay.
Tamsai, there's a
No, it's fine.
The only thing that you want to see, bonum Xhosa. You don't care about these new tribes. You just want to focus on Xhosa.
I feel like we're limited to
No,
what
not
you
in the
know,
key.
but okay.
I'm making an example.
Let's just leave it at that.
Yeah.
Aye, because I'm fair to we do. I'm fair to hygiene. Don't mess with them Xhosa.
Look, let's just
Fair to
carry
Kina, we have
on.
a lot of things. Just that.
But anyways-
I'm coming to one thing. I'm making
Okay.
an example of one thing.
Okay, rockers, you comment down below who carries the country. But yeah, with no
Obviously, Xhosa people,
beef
dog,
or
we can't
anything.
shy
He
away
says
from that.
Xhosa. I say I don't know. Tamsai.
Fair to what?
I'm
what
saying
about-
I'm leaning more Zulu people, yeah, but
Okay, let's go.
Sell
We'll
out.
just see.
Abesuthu.
We have our own country, bro. So
Ngaphaya kwentaba
We have our own country.
zokhahlamba.
Let's leave it at that.
akhona amaXhosa, you know, Mose Lesotho.
I know,
Yeah,
but I
yeah,
mean,
yeah.
the majority
Ngapha
would be.
kwentaba zokhahlamba.
Majority, yeah.
Yeah, man. So the next one would be I saw and put jogging those CV about online. So and then I saw like a lot of people talking about scraping it in for on this visa, boy.
Yeah.
But then I was like, let me go deeper into that. But then I think it was a matter of now at places they actually notice the CVs abando. They have AI information.
Yeah.
Yeah, but so now recruiters, what they do is they have these tools where they actually check if it was created by an AI or whatever.
Yeah,
And now it's actually causing a problem for a lot of people.
Nah,
That
Are you
I-
talking about
You wanna-
where people were also making jokes about
Yeah.
what you should have on your CV?
Yeah,
Yazi
I also
into
saw
ba-
that.
Yazi into Tamsai.
Yeah.
Ilando ba. Those niggas on Facebook. Okay, I'm gonna speak about Facebook. People on Facebook, they will be like, take these things out of your CV.
Sure.
Do this, and then some people will go on AI.
Yeah.
AI is gonna give you the same thing. You obviously your people. You're gonna ask the same question, and then AI is gonna give you the same thing, and then that's how your CVs are gonna clash.
No, I think mna laweni I saw le nto uthetha ngayo,
Yeah.
and I think it started with there was this one. I think I'm not sure exactly by Kale Papov, but I think there was this one person who posted and said, "Yo, remove." I don't know why they said remove, but one okay, remove this and this in your CV, and Abandu comments were like, "Okay, replace it with what?" Yeah, bo. And then she was not telling people what. And then Abandu were like, okay, remove your name, remove this and this. And they started making jokes about it. Because it's not fair to just like, people are like, it's not fair to just say
Yeah, some people
this
take
and
it
this should not
seriously.
be in your CV.
Because we all don't have the same qualifications
Because
in a
also,
way.
it's even outside the qualifications,
Sure.
like, Abandu ne, I'm going to come and say, I'm a recruiter, okanye I'm in HR, and ECVs are bound to have this and that, but you shouldn't have this on your CV. Dinga choba.
What you
What
should
must you have?
Yeah,
Yeah,
what must you have,
then
yeah.
people felt like that's not fair to just say you must not have this on your CV and then you don't say anything more, yeah, bo. And then Abando was just like, you know how it is, social media.
Yeah,
It
you
started
need
being
to
a
be-
joke
you
and then
need to
people
be
was
like
man,
like,
you
particular
can't take away
information.
something from people and not give them anything.
yeah, Abanye were
Nah,
like,
you can't do that.
remove your phone number, remove your name. I'm like,
boy,
yo,
boy.
If I know mhlawumbe ungabhali hobbies, because if people still do on, you're not gonna get a job, my dog.
Nah,
What's
but
up,
you-
Bali
nah,
hobbies?
but you wanna die. It doesn't mean you won't get a job, dog.
You're not gonna get a
Doesn't
job,
mean
my
you won't
dog.
get-
Oh,
It
I've
doesn't
got.
mean you won't get a job.
I like
You need
reading.
someone.
Nah, man, dog.
Ah, my dog, come on.
But you can still get a job, but not me. I wouldn't do that, but not me.
Did you see Laweza did you watch la podcast ka Bontle Mudia Sele and LT don't know, pretty ugly about specifically about what she said perspective yakhe of men, and I'll be much more Laweza, I'll be much more frank about it, yabo. So uye wathini, she said that by say perspective yakhe yomchita yabo, she's not really into a guy that's all about, you know, imali yabo.
Yeah.
It's mainly based on, you know, the morals that you bring, the kind of person that you bring, yabo. If you're really all about imali yako, then she's not really into that, yabo. And also she was on somebody say, yo, imagine say kids are forever, and then you're gonna have a kid with nalomdu that doesn't bring any morals. They're not smart. They're not born emotionally available.
Yeah, she even said, "Ba, it doesn't even matter umzekelo for kids, ba.
Yeah.
Imali suka kubani.
Exactly.
As long as kids are school fees is paid.
Yeah, but so now you're gonna have the 100% aspects zako emntaneni, then nalomdu lo ozise imali but akana contributions characteristics emntaneni, lo mntana uzokhula njani, uzofana naye mos in a way then nafana kancinci. Yabo. Then can also be Pindi City, but she doesn't mind being the breadwinner. Yeah, but if you down on your time, we're down. But then once you're up, obviously, lambs will be down a lot. So how do you feel about young?
I think to not dwell on that, but obviously, as a guy, as an outie, when you're listening to Ubontle speak like that, it's something you appreciate because you understand. That's the type of person you want to be with. Exactly. So I don't think there's even so much to say on that because everyone was like, yo, especially guys, they're like, yo, I want this for myself. Obviously, many had different views. Especially like Amanda Bango, Mama. They're like, yo, I'm not trying to be patient with no guy because of.
I don't want to give them grace.
Yeah, no because grace. They feel like once the guy is up, he might leave you, and so there's a lot of.
Yeah, but actually, there was also like a lot of women that actually agreed with Ubontle, and I was actually surprised in the time and age that we live in, because there's so much that the world expects from us as men. But to see that there are actually women that do exist.
Yeah, for sure. That was a dope mindset. Chat, to be honest.
Yeah, but
podcast was lit.
Yes, you know, I feel like what Nandi and Bontle said, it's the same thing. It's just that people want.
That's what I'm saying, but
like,
I feel like
there's
not much to say because I think we agree.
So that like some people could get it.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey man. Also, Kulaweze, do you guys remember Uncle Don, the guy that got featured for for music video?
Yeah, I feel like that's like the luckiest video vixen.
Ever, because I mean, he even got a career after. But you'd be surprised as a Patalamalin for the.
How much?
So cash, it was 50K, and then including the car, that accumulated to 300K.
Yeah, Polo Vivo.
Yeah, and he was like,
take it.
Me too, dog.
I take it.
Like me too, because
that's 50K. That's the luckiest video vixen. Because we don't have a culture of that in South Africa.
Now I have a car. I got paid like 15,000, 11,000, 9,000. Now I'm driving a Polo Vivo.
But like two ways more serious, I guess.
Yeah.
Did you guys see that guy who, I think he works at Escom, whatever. That was crazy.
No. I actually checked it out.
I had something to say about that on social media.
What did you have to say?
The thing is, I heard, I saw a content yake at first. That person likes to imitate a band.
Yeah.
So now, just because he
imitates someone.
So now, just because he did that, kumtu on disability, now it became a problem. How is it a problem? Kumtu.
It is a problem, bro. Because you have to know what Amdu is living with disability.
But that's also a person, dog.
But no one is saying it's not a person. But think about it this way: if you're living with a disability, chances are you are not as confident as someone who So obviously, if someone is gonna make a joke out of Londo, it's like if or whatever we are taking ubiza 3 no cream that's you're not gonna be comfortable when people make fun of Londo. It doesn't mean but you're not a human being or whatever, but it's like,
but I mean,
people are feeding off that. That was it's unfortunate, but
I felt so bad.
he's gonna lose his job.
I felt so bad at first, but Nah, okay, at first I was angry, but yeah, I pambe and it's also. Then I saw by content there, killing, but okay, now that you say it, then I
Sorry,
totally
boy,
understand.
shame.
Big week in Cape Town for baddies. Mining in that, but do
Ish, that's so on it. Hey man,
Is that a big
hey
week?
man,
Today!
yeah, it's a crazy one.
Yeah.
Hey man, gotta do what you gotta do, I guess.
It's shy. This whole week it's shy.
Hey,
If you have a baddie, hey, I'm sorry, my guy. Ish.
Abantu abazobafumana abantu babo nsami yo baby.
Hey,
Lele,
my
boyfriend
name
let me.
I'm not even taking any chances. I'm
Are you
just
dating
knocking
a
the
baddie?
door.
Are you dating a baddie?
I mean, my girl is bad, but she's not a bad.
Yes sir.
Hey,
Yes
man,
sir.
to close it off,
Yes,
man,
sir.
Yes sir.
Yes,
don't forget to buy our new merch. Don't forget to buy our t-shirts.
With
our
the
vests,
baddies,
and don't
with the
forget
money
to
they're getting
buy.
today, ne?
Yeah?
With the money they're getting today.
How about
I mean-
you're not buying merch, dog. These
Saje.
girls are gonna buy iPhone 17.
Ngikelela jaja.
Mawaphethe amadoda abo.
Ngikelela jaja namhlanje.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
boy.
There you have it. Yeah, it was nice having you guys today. Hello.
Hey, man,
Boss,
yeah.
bengayazi ba. Like umthwebo.
Bona, I'm getting comfortable as ixesha lihamba.
Basuba nazo zonke talents. No. You're too
Bro.
talented now.
But I'm just niggas means
My dog, thank you for coming today.
every day.
Send the husband sweating after up.
Boy.
Uyaxoxa le. Phezulu.
Yeah, man, there you have it, man. From me, your host, This Does the Most, and it DJs in crew.
Yeah.
It's a bye. Hey, namhlanje distracted in like cameras. You can always means namhlanje. But bye, man. See you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, and share some love. Because we love you.
Tango. Tango.